and today I am back with another Carebear haul. And this one is stuff from a few different places. We'll start with what I found at the flea market. I know at one point you could find this stuff at Walmart, but I found it at the flea market. So here is, is it Do Your Best Bear? No. Maybe. I can't remember, but there's that one. And then Laugh a Lot Bear. I really like this one too. Yellow's my favorite color. I like all the yellow bears. Here is Wish Bear, which he is on my shirt and my hair clip. So, twinsies. Here is Share Bear. And here is Love a Lot. So yeah, these come in a 5-pack at Walmart at one point. I've got a 5-pack, but it's not this set. So I'm excited I got these. My husband found these for me. I'm so excited. But yeah, those come from Walmart. I don't know if they still have them online. I know they quit selling them in my store. Maybe you'll get lucky and find something. Alright, and this I am super excited about. Oh, you've already seen it. You already seen it. But it is a Care Bear and Hello Kitty mix up. This is the Love a Lot Bear. I don't remember this Hello Kitty character's name. But I have been looking for this for so freaking long. And I got this at Crackle Barrel, but a few days later I found it at GameStop too. And I had been looking for this forever. Now I am only looking for the white one. Once I have it, I will do a whole video on all 4 of them together. I am so happy I finally got this. We went to Crackle Barrel to eat, and there it was. There it was sitting. And I'm just so excited to have it. But yeah, there's that. Last but not least, I know this is a very, very short video, but this is just all I found recently. This I'm super excited about, and I am going to use it in a short. I'm not sure how soon, probably a while away, who knows. But it is a Care Bear makeup palette, and I found it at Bill's, and it was $6, $5.99. Look at the mirror. That's really cute. But there is all the colors. Let's see if I can get it close enough. But yeah, I will do a short on this and kind of show you more things about it. But yeah, so a palette, Care Bear, Hello Kitty Care Bear, another Care Bear, another Care Bear, and another Care Bear. Yeah. But I'm so excited that I got all this. Oh, I forgot a Care Bear. Too much Care Bear stuff. Too much excitement. But thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day.